Of course, the situation of now it's not very easy, but we work, we sell because you have very innovative product, I think, and we travel often. We work for the event with collector, with the journalists too, and in the world. And every month you go from different country in the world, and but I think for me it's very important to have always something innovative because the collector, the people like to buy something different. In 30 years, I work for many brand different, 65 brand different in 30 years. And always I work for to arrive with products something different, innovative. And my inspiration it's always other of the watch industry. It's sometimes the nature, sometimes the antiquity, sometimes the aerospatial, sometimes the car, sometimes the poesy, many the magic, the magic too, many universe, and this is why I arrive always with something different. And if you look my collection, you look the poker watch, the Margot, the Marguerite. It's you can to the extreme one. You can to look the inspiration of different universe, and you can to understand my philosophy of my brand and the philosophy of course I work for other brand too. Of course, when you work with a new project, always it's you take a risk, technical risk and commercial risk. But it's my life, what I like to do. This is why I arrive with Margot, and I think you have good reception of the because it's a more complicated watch of the watch industry for the woman. You have 734 components. It's more component of minute repeat, tourbillon, perpetual calendar for to have ID. It's very complex mechanism. But before there aren't some brands use mechanism of men for the woman, may not work for the mechanism for the woman, exclusive for the woman. It's totally new, and but for me, of course, market maybe it's very little, but he exists. And long time ago, I speak about product for the woman for the other brand, but never he believe me. This is why when I start my brand, I very want to arrive with something innovative and something special for the woman. It's another universe, of course. You have a big market for this, but for many people I know, collector or not collector, some people have like to buy complicated watch because he's fascinated by the sophistication of the miniaturization of the technology and the technique and the innovation and all things inside, and he cannot to have the same emotion of this and for the quartz or for the new the Apple Watch. We cannot to compare. It's totally different. This is what for me, of course. For some brand, for example, Omega, Tissot, and other, it's for, of course I think little dangerous. It's for them, but for me, I'm not afraid